The Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus is the top-of-the-line model in the Samsung Galaxy S10 series. The Galaxy S10 Plus features a 6.4-inch AMOLED display with Quad HD Plus resolution and a dual punch hole on this Infinity O display. The Galaxy S10 Plus is powered by an octa-core Exynos 9820 processor. The device would be available with Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor in other regions but not in India. The Galaxy S10 Plus would be available in 3 RAM and storage options: 8GB of RAM with 128GB of internal storage, 12GB of RAM with 512GB of internal storage, and finally 12GB of RAM with 1TB of internal storage. All the variants will support microSD cards of up to 512GB. Talking about the camera, the Galaxy S10 Plus comes with a triple lens rear camera setup with dual OIS support. There is a primary 12MP wide-angle sensor along with another 12MP telephoto sensor and a 16MP ultra-wide sensor. On the front, there is a dual-lens selfie camera with a 10MP and 8MP sensors. On the battery front, the device is powered by a 4100 mAh battery with fast charging 2.0 support. Interestingly, there is support for reverse charging as well, through which you can charge another smartphone or accessory that supports WPC-C wireless charging. The Galaxy S10 Plus also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor along with existing biometric security options like face unlock and iris scanner.